Plant FAQs, Anthurium metallicum. Anthurium metallicum, a guide to the alluring velvet leaf plant. Hello, plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today we're diving deep into the world of the captivating Anthurium metallicum. This enthralling aroid, hailing from the rainforests of Colombia, boasts stunning foliage that has captivated collectors for years. If you're considering welcoming an Anthurium metallicum into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate this remarkable plant successfully. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Anthurium metallicum special? The Anthurium metallicum stands out with its velvety, deep green leaves that shimmer with an almost iridescent sheen. This unique metallic luster, as its name suggests, is what truly sets it apart. The large, heart-shaped leaves unfurl gracefully, adding a touch of elegance to any indoor space. While some Anthurium varieties produce vibrant flowers, the metallicum focuses all its energy on its captivating foliage. Don't be disappointed, though. The textural and visual interest of the leaves is more than enough to make this plant a showstopper. Is Anthurium metallicum easy to care for? The Anthurium metallicum thrives in environments that mimic its native Colombian rainforest habitat. Here's a breakdown of its key needs. Light. Anthurium metallicum prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent yet moderate watering is key. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. This plant enjoys high humidity levels, ideally around 60 to 80%. You can achieve this by using a humidifier, placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water, or grouping it with other humidity-loving plants. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your Anthurium metallicum to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or orchid bark-based mixes are popular choices. How does Anthurium metallicum compare to other Anthuriums? There are over 800 species in the Anthurium genus, offering a diverse range of colors, shapes, and sizes. Here's a quick comparison of Anthurium metallicum to two popular varieties. Anthurium crystallinum, nicknamed the crystal Anthurium. This variety boasts large, heart-shaped leaves with prominent, vein-like markings. Unlike the metallicum's velvety texture, the crystallinum has a smoother, somewhat glossy surface. Both plants require similar care, making them good choices for beginners. Anthurium andrianum. This is the most commercially available Anthurium variety, known for its vibrant flowers that come in shades of red, pink, white, and purple. The andrianum's foliage is typically smaller and less dramatic than the metallicums. It also requires slightly more light and might benefit from occasional fertilization. What are some common problems with Anthurium metallicum? While generally low maintenance, a few issues can arise with Anthurium metallicum. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient humidity. Check your watering routine and adjust accordingly. Grouping your plant with others or using a humidifier can help with humidity. Yellow leaves. This could be a natural part of the aging process. If multiple leaves yellow rapidly, it might indicate excessive light, nutrient deficiency, or root rot from overwatering. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally target Anthurium metallicum. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap are effective solutions for these pests. Final thoughts on Anthurium metallicum. With its captivating metallic sheen and lush, velvety leaves, the Anthurium metallicum is a true conversation starter. By providing the right environment and care, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will add a touch of the tropics to your home. So, if you're looking for a unique and relatively easy-to-care-for plant, the Anthurium metallicum might be your perfect match. Happy planting!